Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR welding cart. So this almost looks like a welding blanket. I don't think that's what that is. It's just for protection, but very nice reinforced protection on here. Got foam padding. Here's our hardware. And here is our caster. So this is one of the things that sets this welding table apart from other welding tables, is that you can actually roll this guy around. I have another welding table that's almost identical to this, but has no casters. I'm going to consider this an upgrade over that table. So they are locking casters, and they're about 3 inches, which is going to be excellent for rolling over things like if you got expansion joints in your garage floor or something like that. And this one also has a tool holder, which is something that the old welding table did not. We got our instructions, and we got the main meat. So this looks like the legs. Wow. So I'm used to these things being fairly thin metal. This is actually, looks like about 1/8 inch thick. This is going to be a fairly heavy duty table. Here is our handle. Got kind of a pegboard for the side. We got our bottom shelf. This is going to be another thing that's going to be an upgrade over the other one. The fact that we actually got a place so we can store some stuff underneath the table is a big benefit, in my opinion. So this is kind of oil coated, and that is going to be for our raw steel. And they even put corner protectors on it to make sure it's not going to get dinged up in shipping. This is the most important part of the table. A nice and heavy duty feeling plate. Countersunk holes here on the top so that these screws are not going to be pushing above the surface. And because this is raw, we can go ahead and put our grounding clamp on there, and that way we don't have to clamp directly onto the piece that we're going to be welding. So excellent design here. So we got 14mm head bolts, we got 14mm head nuts, and we got some Phillips head bolts. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach the reinforcement to our welding surface. We're going to use the Phillips head and nuts. Two of these legs have these extra holes in them. Those holes are going to be for the handle. So we want to make sure we put these two legs on the same corners with the holes facing out. All right, so let's check the surface. Wow, that is about as perfect as it can be side to side. Yeah, that is a very flat surface. Now, even if this had a little bit of a bow in it, this is not a $1,000 table. I would have expected there to be a bow in it, but there isn't, so that is fantastic. So one of the first things I noticed when I was comparing it to my old welding table is this one is a few inches taller than the old welding table, where this one is about 33 inches. This one is about 36 1/4. I even have these leveling feet strung all the way down just to get as much height as I can, just because I like working with my face close to the material that I'm going to be welding so I can really see it. Even a few inches could be the difference between me having to slouch over to see it and then being able to sit a little bit more upright. On top of that, having that little space underneath where we can clear everything off of the top, that is kind of a big deal. Now with this, you can see I got the clamps just kind of clamped right to the table, but since we got these hooks on the side, I have now got a spot for those as well. It is also slightly larger, so we got 40 inches versus 35.5. 24 versus 23 3/4. So larger work surface. I would have liked to see these dog holes go one more space out. So you can see these ones are a little bit further out, but by having this solid, it does make it a little bit more rigid. So it's kind of a give and take. The holes at about a 0.623 inches. So in metric, that is just under 16mm. But yeah, we got a ton of advantages here. We got the hooks on the side, so we can actually put stuff on there. We got our pegboard over on this side. We got our shelf. We got wheels. We got a larger work surface. It's very flat. That is just a nice welding table. I'm happy with that.